Kasoka Jalal Lembaga Information Technology and Communication Department kelap pelong ya Meghalaya IT Awards mta kesengi hasus tham auditorium Shillong. Hakan ni kesengi palat aspa ngut kisemla puli jong ke kelas 10 bat kelas 12 ke ayo pediang ya ke laptop na kasoka jela. Kini ki bayo pediang ya ke laptop kidai kisemla ba pas ha haka top 20 haki eksamin jong ke embus ICSE bat CBSE. Ya kini ki laptop lasam dam terang ba kejela kondat kisang ma rengkat menteri ketenat puli putih ba la kemen rembui ha bekren na kajinglang kondat raya thu Khynnah ban ai mensi mek sama puli ba ha kapol ba ukpa jang ulit penu isang ma uphalet puli ya usha Philadelphia USA ula betha ya ba udai ban wan pai biang sha India sha kejela ondola pendep ya kejing puli bat umdai ban sa ban trei ha USA ha kata kapol kondat udang don khat news nem kerta hadin ba wan pai waseng kam no da ka khana sina jingba man nang pen he susu ya giwe kam hadin bo ya so apat sya sain perthei.
Because I know that once you get the laptops, then you won't listen to me. So I told them that I will give the speech before the laptop is given. Moment also is a successful moment. Get to your head. If it gets to your head, I think that is the beginning of downfall for you. Please remember it. Be humble in life. Amazing, and he never thought that this kind of thing would be happening in Shillong, which a lot of people don't know, and even if I talk about this, half the people won't understand when I say S4HANA, what that means. But what I'm going to tell you is a lot of people don't realize the kind of opportunities that are developing. That this kind of technology today, and this alone, just this entire transition, the testing, the migration of this, which normally takes about 1 year, 2 years to do, this software finishes it in 1 month. So the testing modules based on AI allow the migration aspect to be done very fast. Now this was not possible before, and this was not happening in Shillong before. But today, this is about a $10 billion market. Just to give an idea to you, with exchange rate today that's floating around, that's 94,000 crores. That's the size of this market. Just the testing of this S4HANA migration testing is a 94,000 crore market. And some part of it is being tested right here in Shillong. Now, why I'm telling you all of this, you must be thinking, is to tell you that things are not like it was before. Today, while the world is changing, we as a government are also trying to give that opportunity to you to adapt to those changes. You know, I remember when I came in after completing my graduation, I was in the University of Pennsylvania. I went to the undergrad program of the Wharton Business School. After finishing my entrepreneurship, I came back. And when I came back, I wanted to start my business. And when I wanted to start my business, there was nobody to tell me what to do, no place I could get any help. And I was all on my own, alone. And this is 1999. So in 1999, the month of May or June, I started making my business plan. I had a business plan for a food processing industry. I thought I should start a food processing industry because there's so much of fruits out here. My second project was an entertainment center in Shillong or in Tura, where we should have a full center, where we should have a bowling alley, a movie theater, games, music. And my third idea was an internet service provider, ISP. And of course, because I just come back from US, I was very much into the internet thing. And so without really understanding the technical part, I jumped into the ISP business. But my point being was there was nobody to help. And I really went through a lot of difficulty. And those experiences I had at that moment when I was trying to set up my business, where no system or ecosystem existed in Meghalaya for entrepreneurship, prompted me that when I came and got the opportunity to serve the people as a chief minister, I told myself that I will provide that opportunity for the youngsters. I will create that ecosystem so that entrepreneurship can be a culture and can be an option where youth would be excited to start their own businesses. And that's what prompted me to start different programs. And of course, I had a very, very difficult time starting my business and a difficult time running it. But those were experiences that also taught me a lot of things that helped me till today in terms of teamwork and administration. But having said that, what I'm trying to give the message to you is, world is changing. You have to adapt. You are, as I said, one of the best brains that we have in our state. As correctly mentioned by our education minister, there are so many options, whether it's the administrative services, whether it's in terms of IT and the way the entire world is today changing, whether it's in the form of entrepreneurship, whether it's in the form of bringing innovation into the sports sector, into the music sector, whether it's about bringing in technology that is going to be allowing us to do things in a much more cleaner manner in terms of bringing down the CO2 emissions to produce different kind of projects and work. All of these areas are open to you. I was just going through an article because I think all of you know that we have an ethanol-based plant today in Meghalaya. We're producing our own ethanol now. And I'm very keen to change all my generators in all the government offices to generators that are run on ethanol alone. So if it's ethanol, if it's not diesel-based generator, obviously it's clean energy. And we have our own ethanol, and it is much cheaper compared to diesel, and obviously cleaner. And I'm really keen, and if some of you are entrepreneurs out here or who wish to be entrepreneurs, please try to bring this ethanol-based generators, small ones, big ones, out here, which could help us run our energy requirements based on ethanol and the generators that are there, which will allow us to have clean energy. So I do hope that all of these things will be going on in your mind somewhere, to be able to then bring it that change. And I hope that you will bring that change into this small state of ours and contribute to something that we can do as a state. While a lot of you will look to go out, I do encourage you to ensure and see what best you can do to contribute to our state itself at first. And then yes, of course, if we are not good enough and there's not opportunity enough for you, obviously you will look at larger opportunities outside. I don't blame you for that. But I do hope that we will see some of you bring that thought process, bring the solutions. I was very clear when I completed my undergrad that I want to go back to my state and give back to my state. Because that's what my father told me. In fact, he told me that I was 17 when I left India and went to Philadelphia. And a very young boy at that time. And my father told me the only reason I will let you go is you will come back after you complete and you will not start working there. And that is what prompted me to come back to Meghalaya and start my own business, do what I could to contribute to our state. Today God has given me this amazing opportunity to serve all of you who are sitting out here and the entire state. And that's why we do our best to give back to our state, we do our best to contribute and to take our state forward. So I do want to leave you with that small thought of some patriotism and some commitment to the state also as you move along. So.